All right, I've been asked so many times, do I have to pre-fill this? Do I have to pre-fill that? And I pre-fill everything before I tape. Let me show you. Everything gets pre-filled. Now this is all taped and finished by somebody else. I'm just doing this other drywall. Everything gets pre-filled. Okay. Those things up here, these were little breaks around those pipes. I hit those with fiberglass mesh tape, coated them in with Durabond. I just have to coat them in a couple of times and they're all done. So why do I do it? Because they say if you have an 1/8 inch gap, if you have an 1/8 inch gap, you should pre-fill. That wall right there, the carpenters have a 1/4 inch play from top to bottom. They can be within a 1/4 of an inch out of square, and you're going to have a gap. I have never done a job ever in 40 some odd years where I didn't have at least 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 1/8 inch gaps in my drywall throughout the house. And if I didn't show up with Durabond, guess what? I'm not doing it right. Nobody's going to stand behind my work. So does it have to be Durabond? No, not necessarily. You can use any kind of speed set drywall because that's harder than the conventional stuff, the regular stuff that has to dry. The setting type compound, any lightweight setting compound, you can use those. The hard Durabond is the best because it is hard. It's very, very hard. And so I used 45 on this particular job, the real Durabond 45. I've got it all pre-filled. But, you know, one guy kept commenting, hey, nobody pre-fills, nobody pre-fills. Well, I'm not, you know what, I'm not guaranteeing their work. They're not guaranteeing my work, but I'm guaranteeing my work. And if I pre-fill it, I'll stand behind everything I do. And so that's why I pre-fill. I've got a couple of cracks in this upper part of this wall. There's a crack above that window. Right there. It's popped and cracked. And there's one below and above this window here that have popped and cracked, and I dug into them. There was no Durabond in them. Would it have still done it? Probably. Those are stress points. Those really are stress points, and that's a really long wall. In fact, that wall is so long where it cracked out here. Where it cracked out here, I'm putting in a control joint there and there. This wall is almost 40 feet long. It's 39 feet long. Control joint is made for that. It's got a little V in here so it can expand and contract. See how it pushes together? And it's got a little tearaway on here, so after you finish it, you just tear away that little tab and it looks great. So I put a little piece of tearaway bead on this. Just hopefully those cracks won't come back when I tape them out, and we'll see. But yeah, I pre-fill. I pre-fill every job. If it's a small job, I will actually tape with the Durabond, and I'll be pre-filling it and taping it at the same time. Never had a problem doing that either. So you guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe, and if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.